In this tip, I just want to show you how I am working on one of the sections for one of the front pieces of my jacket. And what I want to show you is that to get the length, I am actually using one panel, and then I am using part of another panel, right? So this is taking a little bit more than one panel. So I just want to show you, we have full videos on this. So instead of sewing up the first panel and then sewing up the next little section, I'm going to fuse these two together before I sew. So what you're going to see is on the one section, I have trimmed right up next to the fabric, and on the next section I've actually left, I call this a little lip, just a little left over on the outside of the printed grid. I've left this little lip, so this is already actually fused on. So this is the second part. Now there's a couple ways we can do this. The easiest way I have found, now you're gonna have to trust me that I am actually putting a little glue down. This is a washable school glue stick, which is starch based. This is a white one, so you can't see it. So I'm actually leaving that little lip. We're going to match up these two sections, and I'm not matching up my squares because my cutting is probably not perfect. What we're matching up is the actual grid. So I can see a little tick mark here, a little tick mark. I'm just matching up these two sections. The glue stick really sort of helps you in the placement. And then I'm going to take my iron, nice hot iron, and I'm going to hold for several seconds. And this is going to fuse these two sections together. Now, like I was saying, we have full videos on fusing panels together, and I've got my plastic glove on. I like to use that with my piecing because I'm also going to go over to the sewing machine and sew this section up. The last thing I want to say, so now I've just eliminated the pinning between these two sections, and I'm going to sew them up just like in one. The other thing that I do want to mention before I start sewing is on my previous section, I've sewing all these short seams first. So folding on the fold line, sewing my 1/4 inch seam. So on the other jacket front piece, I started sewing the short seams first, so I want to do that on this one also. We're going to start sewing the same direction. So just that little tip on fusing sections together.